Z Fold 6 Galaxy. Samsung is finally fixing the Z Fold 6. Over the past few years, foldable phones have captured the imagination of consumers worldwide, promising a revolutionary shift in smartphone design and functionality. However, they've also faced their fair share of challenges, most notably the infamous display crease. But fret not, because with the Z Fold 6, Samsung seems to have finally cracked the code on foldable perfection. So buckle up as we embark on a journey to explore the ins and outs of this groundbreaking device. Evolution of foldable phones. Before we go into all the specifics of the Z Fold 6, let's take a moment to appreciate the journey of foldable phones thus far. Samsung has been a trailblazer in this space, introducing us to groundbreaking devices like the Galaxy Fold and the Z Flip series. These devices represented a leap forward in smartphone innovation, offering users the flexibility of a foldable display coupled with the power of a traditional smartphone. However, they were not without their challenges. One of the most persistent issues plaguing foldable phones has been the presence of a noticeable crease in the display, detracting from the overall user experience. But with each new iteration, Samsung has been diligently working to address these concerns and push the boundaries of what's possible with foldable technology. The crease conundrum. The crease. The bane of every foldable phone user's existence. For years, users have been grappling with this unsightly line running down the center of their screens, disrupting an otherwise seamless experience. But fear not, because with the Z Fold 6, Samsung seems to have finally found a solution to this age-old problem. According to reports from insiders and early testers, the crease on the Z Fold 6 has been significantly reduced, if not altogether eliminated, making for a much smoother and more immersive user experience. This achievement is made possible by advancements in display technology, including the use of thicker, ultra-thin glass that not only enhances durability but also minimizes the dreaded crease. Additionally, Samsung's engineering prowess has allowed them to refine the hinge mechanism, further reducing the likelihood of creasing and ensuring a more robust folding experience. Performance and specifications. Of course, a smartphone is more than just a display, and the Z Fold 6 certainly doesn't disappoint in terms of performance. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and paired with a generous 12 gigs of RAM, this device is a multitasking powerhouse. Whether you're streaming videos, gaming, or tackling productivity tasks, the Z Fold 6 handles it all with ease. And with Android 14 and Samsung's latest One UI 6.1.1, you can expect a smooth and intuitive user experience right out of the box. But the improvements don't stop there. Samsung has also made significant upgrades to the camera system, ensuring that you can capture every moment in stunning detail. With a versatile array of lenses, including a 50MP main camera, a 12MP ultra-wide, and 10MP telephoto with 3x optical zoom, the Z Fold 6 is ready to be your go-to camera for all occasions. Camera upgrades. Speaking of cameras, let's talk about enhancements Samsung has made to the Z Fold 6 imaging capabilities. While previous foldable phones from Samsung have offered respectable camera performance, the Z Fold 6 takes things to the next level. With a revamped camera array, including improved sensors and enhanced software processing, the Z Fold delivers stunning image quality across a variety of shooting scenarios. Whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or low-light scenes, the Z Fold 6 excels in every situation. And let's not forget about the front-facing cameras. With both an under-display camera and a cover camera, you can take flawless selfies no matter which screen you're using. Plus, with features like AI scene detection and advanced image stabilization, you can trust the Z Fold 6 to capture every moment with clarity and precision. Price and availability. Now, I know what you're thinking. All this cutting-edge technology must come with a hefty price tag, right? Well, yes and no. The Z Fold 6 certainly isn't cheap, with prices starting around $1,850. It's actually quite reasonable considering the level of innovation packed into this device. And with pre-orders set to begin, now is the perfect time to secure your spot in line for this game-changing smartphone. Plus, with a range of attractive financing options available, owning the Z Fold 6 has never been more accessible. So, if you're ready to experience the future of smartphone technology, don't wait. Reserve your Z Fold 6 today and join the foldable revolution. Display advancements. One of the most significant upgrades in the Z Fold 6 is its display technology. Samsung has worked tirelessly to enhance the foldable display, aiming to reduce the visibility of the crease, a common complaint among foldable phone users. With the use of a thicker ultra-thin glass, the crease on the Z Fold 6 is now less noticeable, promising a smoother and more immersive user experience. Additionally, the display is expected to be more durable thanks to the increased thickness of the glass, offering better protection against scratches and cracks. Performance boost. Under the hood, the Z Fold 6 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, ensuring lightning-fast performance and seamless multitasking. This latest chipset delivers the impressive speed and efficiency, allowing users to tackle even the most demanding tasks with ease. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or working on multiple apps simultaneously, the Z Fold 6 offers a smooth and responsive experience without any lag or slowdowns. Software and user experiences. On that software front, the Z Fold 6 runs on the One UI 6.1.1 based on Android 14. This latest iteration of Samsung's custom skin brings a host of new features and enhancements designed to streamline the user experience and optimize performance. With One UI 6.1.1, users can expect improved responsiveness, better battery life management, and a more intuitive interface, making the Z Fold 6 a joy to use on the day-to-day. Battery life and charging. Despite its powerful performance and advanced features, the Z Fold 6 doesn't compromise on battery life. With a 4400 mAh battery, the Z Fold 6 offers all-day battery life, ensuring that you can stay connected and productive from morning till night. And when it's time to recharge, the Z Fold 6 supports fast charging, allowing you to top up your battery quickly and get back to what you love doing. Design evolution. The design of the Z Fold 6 represents a significant evolution from its predecessors. Samsung has refined every aspect of the device, from its sleek, premium exterior to its ergonomic foldable form factor. The Z Fold 6 retains the iconic book-like foldable design that sets it apart from traditional smartphones, but with refinements that make it more durable, practical, and visually appealing. Durability and build quality. Durability is a key concern for foldable phones, and Samsung has taken great strides to address this issue with the Z Fold 6. The device features a robust construction with reinforced hinges and frame that can withstand the rigors of daily use. Additionally, the use of thicker, ultra-thin glass for the display enhances its resilience, making it less susceptible to damage from accidental drops or impacts. Multitasking and productivity. One of the standout features of the Z Fold 6 is its ability to multitask like never before. With this expansive foldable display, users can effortlessly run multiple apps side by side, allowing for seamless multitasking and enhanced productivity. Whether you're responding to emails while watching a video or editing documents while video calling, the Z Fold 6 offers unparalleled flexibility and efficiency. Gaming and entertainment. For gaming and entertainment enthusiasts, the Z Fold 6 delivers an immersive and exhilarating experience. The device's large, foldable display provides a cinematic viewing experience, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in your favorite games, movies, and TV shows. And with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset powering the device, you can expect buttery smooth performance and blazing fast graphics rendering, ensuring a lag-free and responsive gaming experience. Privacy and security. In an age where privacy and security are paramount, Samsung has prioritized the protection of user data with the Z Fold 6. The device features robust security measures, including biometric authentication methods such as fingerprint scanning and facial recognition, ensuring that your personal information remains safe and secure at all times. The future innovations. Looking ahead, the Z Fold 6 sets the stage for even more groundbreaking innovations in the world of foldable technology. With each new iteration, Samsung pushes the boundaries of what's possible, driving forward the evolution of smartphones and redefining the way we interact with technology. As we continue to embrace the era of foldable phones, the Z Fold 6 stands at the forefront of innovation, paving the way for a future filled with endless possibilities. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 represents a significant leap forward for foldable phones, addressing many issues that have plagued previous generations. With its improved display, powerful performance, and top-of-the-line camera system, it's clear that Samsung is finally fixing foldables for good. So, what are your views on this? Will this be a game changer in the foldable phone market? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time.